matter where we go, it's you and me. Through every high and low, eternity. I love you endlessly, forevermore. Baby, you're the one I've been waiting to feel. You're my endless love. You shine brighter than the stars above. Every heartbeat is you I trust. Forever yours and your love unlost. You're my endless love. Oh, oh. You're my endless love.
Today is May 4, 2025 and ang gala natin for today's video ay pupunta kami ng Aurora Music Festival! So, mapapanood namin for this day 2, ang lineup ay si Maki, si Jonella, Flo G, Over October, Beanie. Yun na yun ba? Cup of Joe! Magkakaiwan ang Cup of Joe. So, yung mapanood namin for today's video. So, kakadating lang namin dito sa Airbnb namin and sobrang ganda niya guys, as in exceeds expectations. Kasi nabook ko to February pa ata. So, right after namin bumili ng tickets ng Aurora no naging available, nag-book na agad ako ng Airbnb nga kasi alam ko na kakailangan na yung mag-stay ng 2 days, 1 night. Nakalimutan ko na totally kung anong itsura ng Airbnb na to. And it's super nice. Grabe talaga. Ang ganda guys. So, di ako nag-OA. Room tour ko kayo. Let's go! Here is ta-da! It is super nice.
Sa bathtub. Oh, pwede ka pa malunod.
Tulog na ako guys. Feeling ko first time ko magagamit yung bathtub sa buong trip namin. Buong nagtitrip kami. Kasi pag nagbe-bathtub kami guys, hindi ko naman siya nagagamit. So bumili ako ng bath bomb this time. It's 200 pesos dun sa may baba. So definitely gagamit ko siya. Hi guys! So that is the Airbnb tour. So, ngayon, magpapalit na ako ng damit kasi alis na kami and pupunta na kami sa Music Fest. Medyo maulan siya, pero it's okay. Let's still have fun. It is my fit for Aurora. Look. My fit check. This is me. Ganda-gandahan mo ng person. Ang ganda ko ba eh. Deserve natin ma-appreciate ang ganda. Hi guys! Dito na kami sa Aurora Music Fest. Mag-entrance na kami. Bebe. Bumili kami ng foil. This is for 50 pesos. Para may upuan kami later. Bago kami pumasok sa loob kasi maikli lang naman yung bilang. wish for you. May ang hirap na sabayan. Kumukulot
Everybody
pa.
sing. 1, 2.
Ready na lang kami sa Bini for the last act na. Let's go, Bini. Let's go. Hi guys! Pauwi na kami. Nakatapos lang ng Bini, ng Aurora Fest. We're still doing good, pero dami tao. So, let's go.
Dito ka sidewalk.
Ang alin. Hi guys. We're home. Not really home, pero dito na kami sa hotel. Or Airbnb, rather. I'm so tired, but happy. It was fun and it was organized. Very organized. Compare sa 2 years ago na punta namin ng Aurora, I think this one is more organized. Mas maayos siya. Not sure kung dahil ba nag-upgrade kami from gold to SVIP or hindi ko sure kung nag-matter yun. Pero most likely. Pero overall, masaya yung experience. Good thing, pagpasok namin may magandang pwesto agad. So, di na kami sobrang sumiksik sa harap. Doon kami pumili. Pumesto sa kung saan kami comfortable na makakaupo kami, makakatayo, makakapahinga, makakakain din ng maayos. Magaling din yung mga performances from from Over October, Flows G, Cup of Joe, especially Cup of Joe. I really liked their set. And yung feel nung nag-perform yung Cup of Joe is, tapos na agad. Bakit ang bilis? Yun. So, I really like their set. Nagmukbang lang ako na nagmukbang doon ng Show My House. Parang nakadalawang yung isang pack na gano'n, dalawang pack doon. Then, now I'm here, we're back at our Acom, and I'm very happy na ito yung napili naming Acom kasi pag uwi mo, siya, ay, ang sarap, gano'n. Parang gano'n yung feeling. Alam mo yung feeling na umuwi ka ng bahay, tapos, ang pag uwi mo, ay, ang linis ng bahay, ay, ang sarap umuwi kasi ang ganda ng bahay. Parang gano'n. So, ganito siya. So, homey kasi yung feels niya, guys. Gano'n. Para kami umuwi sa bahay namin ni Mac. This is the end of my vlog. Thank you again, guys, for watching. If nakarating ka ulit dito sa dulo, again, thank you so much for your time and for watching. for spending time with me, for watching my vlogs, pakikinig sa akin, manonood ng mga kaharutan ko sa buhay. So, I hope that you'll continue watching me and I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you again in my next vlog. Again, this is Saz Diaries. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao. Bye.